Hi guys, today we're gonna be playing Build a Boat. One sec. Yeah. And today we're gonna be showing you some stuff. And Ruby's gonna be joining me. Yes. Okay, the boat will be small, yes. And we're gonna start off by giving Ruby this. It's Ruby. Press it. Ruby can now fly. Yes. She's like a helicopter. Okay, and for the second thing,
Hi.
we're gonna put this here. No.
I'm flying.
Yes, I can see.
Where are you?
I'm here behind you. First thing we're gonna need is.
So what are we gonna be
Take
doing?
this, press on it, press on it.
Where is it? Wait, what's that? Okay, what is this? Oh my god,
What did you do?
I was holding it. What even happens if I hold it? Whee!
What happened?
I don't know. No, I'm just saying it. Oh, does it kill people or some stuff? I don't know.
Let's explode.
I'm flying in the sky. Wait a minute. Follow me. I want to show you something.
I don't have a jetpack.
No, it was out. It was walking. Come.
Okay, 1 second. Yes, where are you?
What's this?
What?
What's that over here?
What's what?
What's
This?
that boat?
Someone's boat got yelled over the map.
Well, it's the
Really?
basic, super basic.
No, it's a car.
We go vroom vroom.
Let's complete.
I don't know how that came here, but
Look, guys, Ruby's gonna stay here and watch from my phone how will I fly, okay?
no, I'm gonna come with you.
Oh, well, I'll try. Cause I don't have
I'm gonna.
the chair's. No, the chair's gonna make it fatter, so it can't fly.
What about me?
I don't know.
You want me to build my own?
Yes, you have to.
Okay. How do I build it?
I can't find it.
Can't find what?
This
What's this?
Z. I found it. I put it.
I can't build.
I built. See me?
Wait for me, don't fly it.
How will I?
Now what?
What are you doing? You don't have. Oh yeah, you have. Press this, then go down. Go down, and then buy this.
Okay,
And then you need to win to get the other thing. Sorry guys, this is just a voice. Sorry. I'm sorry for the voice. Really sorry, but wait. Bye, Ruby. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. I'm really sorry for the voice, but I'll show you how to do it. Yeah. And let's wait for Ruby. Break time. Wait, I'll see if I can dance. Oh my god, I'm dancing. See the picture? My screen is moving. Okay, hurry up. Hurry up. I'll just shop. Wait, what is this? Ooh. And wait. Twine, 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 twine. I think I have to leave Ruby here and yes, I think I have to leave Ruby over here. Oh yeah, she's moving. Ruby, let's wait. Guys, sorry, I know, but she made it wrong. Guys, I'm sorry, but I don't know why my voice is so low. I'll just try to raise it. Okay, and I'm stuck. Yes, I'm not. So, apparently, when we use launch, we'll go flying, and then we'll win, or maybe fly past. So, Ruby, are you ready?
No.
Just build any kind
What
of boat.
now?
You don't have oh no.
What?
I removed them. Let me add them
Wait,
again.
what do I do now?
You can't because mine is facing up.
Yeah, how do I face it up?
Oh no. What's happening? What did I do?
I don't know.
What is this? What's happening?
How do I face it up?
I can't.
Oh yeah, I did it.
No,
Now
stop.
what?
Now what?
Wait. I know what block did you put. Did you put this block?
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm done.
No, you're not.
No, I don't have more.
Remove this. Remove the block that you just put.
Okay. I removed it. Now.
Stand on the black thingy.
Okay.
Look down. No. Make the picture like this and look down.
Okay.
And then put it. Put it behind here.
Here.
You fit it. What the? What's this? Yes, you're ready, but you need one more.
How? How do I buy?
Yeah, you need to win the game or maybe buy this box. Or maybe this. Or maybe this.
The red one?
Yeah.
There's no chance. I can only buy the green or.
I'll buy 3. I'll buy 3. Yes.
I'm gonna buy the.
Wow. Wow.
Well,
Look how many stuff I have.
I have 7 gold. Can I ride with you, please?
It's gonna be so heavy.
Please.
How will I fly?
Please.
I got another one.
Okay. Can you put it for me?
Unbox a rare one.
I
Unbox a rare.
can't. I only have $7. Different gold chance.
Okay, you
Can
need
you put it?
No, we need to win so you can get
No,
one.
can you put it here for me?
I can't. You put yours.
I only have 1.
Put it.
Okay, wait.
Put it.
Okay, I put it now.
Then I'm gonna put mine. You can fly like this too.
No.
Yes, it's gonna work.
Why are you putting it in front of my face?
I can't. You need to put it on yourself.
Okay.
So okay, let's
It doesn't want me to
launch.
fly.
Let's launch.
Woo, I like this.
Let's go.
Woo, I like this. Flying in the sky.
Mine is so slow.
I'm going through maps, and you're still over there. Really? I'm in the bomb. Look at the side of the phone. Look, where am I? I'm at the bacon side. Wait, where am I?
I'm just walking in the sky.
I don't know where am I right now.
So,
Dude,
what did you do to be like this?
I don't know.
I did
dying.
something wrong, I think.
Oh yeah, I'm not dying. I'm just kidding. I'm doing this.
I'm just gonna reset character. Now I made some.
Wait, I'm going the wrong way. I'm going the wrong way.
You're going the right way. Yo, you're
I'm
going.
going the wrong way.
Yes, you are. Yes, you're really.
I'm
You're going.
coming back for you. No, I'm going.
You're just
Now
kidding.
Oh my gosh, I only have 3 blocks left. I'm
Three
standing
blocks.
on 3 blocks.
You're almost there.
Just a little bit further. Yes. Yes. I'm there. I made it. have my jetpack and I don't have a hair.
Yes,
My
you're
jetpack?
bald.
And my jetpack is almost done. This is the last map.
Yes.
No, it's not the last map.
If you die, you're.
It's so slow. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I
Really?
can't do
Where
this
is it?
anymore.
Can you die?
Why?
Because you have the woods, my wood.
No, I don't.
No, because when you die, my wood comes back.
What wood?
So my wood, this wood.
I didn't
Down.
even use it.
Yeah, when you die, my wood comes back. So I need
Okay,
you to the.
I'm almost there. Just give me a second.
Let me go back. You're.
You know
How
what?
are
I can't make it.
Yeah, you need
Oh,
to
yeah,
move.
the jetpack is destroyed me. Wait, I'm gonna, wait.
Yeah, I'm getting my wood back.
Um,
I'm getting my wood back. Wait.
where
Yeah,
are
I
you?
got my wood back.
Hi.
Hello.
Can you make something for me and you? Hello?
Wait, I have a brilliant idea. What if I combine both?
What?
Wait. Wait. I know I'm laggy, but what if we combine
Yeah, this game is a
this? What if we combine this one?
I'm gonna buy the rear chest.
By what's gonna come?
And I got, oh my gosh, what's all of these blocks?
You didn't get. You need to go in, yeah. You need to press this button and
Okay.
press and make it 3, not 1.
This?
Yes.
I want to.
Because you need to have enough money. What if I combine this one?
I'm opening
And
the
I
green one.
and I remove the chair.
What are you doing?
What happens if I remove this chair? This chair? Yeah. Then I go in front and then I go down.
Hey, I like it. Why is it red?
Then
You
I
have to
take-
make it blue. Why is the flag red? It's supposed to be blue. I'm gonna drive this.
I'm gonna fly this.
Fly this?
Yeah. What?
I don't know what's going in your mind right now, but I like it.
Let me go. I don't know what happened. I can't look back. Oh yeah, I can. Stop. I need to look in front of myself. I can't look in front. Yes, now I can. Now I can. But first I need to wear that. Yeah. And then stand here. And then go here. Go up. Until I go to... yeah, this one. Oh, I did something wrong, didn't I? Yeah, so I need to put this here. Yes, now we're ready. Let's fly. I hope it works. Nope, it doesn't. It doesn't want to work. Yes, oh my gosh, I'm flying it. It's kinda flying, I guess. Kinda. Fly. Guys, Ruby left, I don't know why. But if you want to see other videos, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And we'll be in the next video. See you later. Bye.